Pictured here are various products you might use to disinfect your home. Make sure you read the back of each product in order to determine the amount of surface contact time. There isn't a single product here that you can just spray and wipe. The surface contact time for isopropanol alcohol is about 1 minute. This particular type of Clorox wipe requires only 4 minutes of contact time. This is hospital grade Lysol, which requires only 4 minutes of contact time. Do not get it confused with typical Lysol spray, which requires up to 10 minutes of contact time. And then there's soap. The only requirement for soap is that you thoroughly scrub the surface. It just so happens that the two cheapest solutions are also the fastest acting solutions: isopropanol alcohol and soap. Make sure it is 70% isopropanol alcohol, not 99%, and do not use distilled spirits like vodka. They are not the same. Isopropanol alcohol requires 1 minute of contact time. Mix soap and water into a spray bottle. Spray the solution on the area you want to clean and make sure to scrub thoroughly. With all the products pictured here, make sure you thoroughly clean the surface first. Glue, oil, or dirt of any kind will reduce the effectiveness of these products.